Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get a transcript of a YouTube video. So let's get started. You guys have to simply open up any of your browser and you guys have to simply open up YouTube video in which you want to get the transcript. So assume that I have opened this video. First, be careful that transcript will be available for those videos only in which they have closed captions available. So if the video does not have closed captions available, you would not get the transcript of that video. So the first step is to check the video is closed captions are available or not. So in order to check that, you guys have to just simply click on the videos, this section. So after tapping on this closed caption, you guys have to simply play the video and you guys can see captions are available. So what you guys have to do in order to get the transcript, you guys have to simply open up a new tab. Here you guys have to simply search for downsub. After searching for downsub, you guys have to simply open up the first website, which is downsub.com, and here you guys have to simply go back to that video again and copy the link of that video. In order to copy, you guys have to simply click on the share button, and here you guys have to simply click on the copy, and you guys have to simply go back to that website, and here you guys have to simply paste that link in this box and click on download. So after clicking on that, it will take some time, and here you guys will be able to see two formats of your transcript. The first one is SRT and second one is TXT. You guys can select according to your need, and will recommend you to use this TXT file. And here you guys can see our TXT file has been downloaded. So after opening it, here you guys will be able to see the whole transcript of our video has been generated. So in this way you guys can get the transcript of your YouTube video very easily. I hope these methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.